everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a very cute red and white cuff bracelet. It's very easy to do. I'm using a 2.75mm hook and a red and a white acrylic yarn. Acrylic yarn is very easy to work with, very soft, so I use it in a lot of my designs and it's very beginner friendly. So to begin, we're going to make a slip knot, and there are many different ways to do that. Here's one pretty easy way to do it. Simply twist the yarn and then pull through like this to make a loop. Place it on your hook and then tighten. Okay. From here, we're going to make chains. Yarn over and then simply pull through. So that's one chain, and we're going to do 35 of those. Okay, so I have my chains, as you can see. For the next step, I'm going to do 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. From here, I'm going to do yarn over and do a double crochet. So we're going to count. From here, we're going to do yarn over and then count 1, 2, 3 and go into the 4th stitch. Then yarn over, pull through until you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. So that's a double crochet. Chain 1 and then repeat the same thing. Yarn over, we're going to skip 1 chain and go into the next one. So we're here currently in this one. Skip 1 and then go here. Yarn over, pull through. Again, we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 more. Again, 1 chain. Yarn over. Skip this one and go into the next one. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 more. So this is what it's starting to look like. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, go into the next, yarn over, pull through, 2 more. All right, let's keep going until we get all the way to the end in the same manner. Chain 1, yarn over, 1, skip 1, go into the next, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Okay, so this is where we are. To finish it off, I'm simply going to pull the yarn out and then cut it. And as you can see, at the moment, this side has both white threads, and you can simply tie them together. And now we're going to continue with the red color. Now we're going to start from the other side with the red, because I want to have 2 red threads hanging from this side at the end. So insert the hook right in the middle of that first double crochet, grab the yarn, pull it through, make sure you have a nice long tail end here on this side. And now we're going to do 1 chain, 2, 3, and then yarn over, and we're going to crochet right on top of that first double crochet. So this is our first double crochet. We're going to insert the hook right on top of it, right here in that stitch. Grab the yarn, pull through. Again, we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. And let's do 1 chain like we did before. Yarn over. We're gonna go above the next double crochet. Insert the hook into that stitch. Grab the yarn, pull through. Again, we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Okay, and then 1 chain, yarn over. Now we're going to crochet above the next double crochet. Again, same exact thing. And this is what the pattern looks like so far. Okay, let's continue. 1 chain, yarn over, insert the hook above the double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. All right, let's get 1 chain and then keep going until we get to the other side. All right, so we're all the way to the end of the bracelet. To finish off this side, we're going to insert the hook into this very last stitch right before the place where we tied the white tail ends, and then do a double crochet. And then from here, we're simply going to move over to the other side of the bracelet. And the way it's going to work is I will do a slip stitch, then make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and again right here above this first double crochet, I'm going to do a double crochet with the red, and then 1 chain, yarn over, double crochet over the white post of the double crochet we did the white with the white. Chain 1, same pattern as on the other side, again right there above this double crochet. So we're continuing basically to go on the other side with the same exact pattern. 1 chain, so we're all the way to the end. The last thing I'm going to do is connect with that first stitch with a slip stitch and then pull the yarn, cut it, and there we go. We have a beautiful cuff bracelet, and this is what it looks like when you place it on your hand. It's very pretty. So what do you do with these tail ends? Well, one idea is just to tie them. That's the simplest way. What I like to do is actually spin these 2 threads just like so in the opposite direction. So this one is going into this direction and that one is going into this direction. And then when you place them together, and just pull them, they will twist, and now you have a nice twisty end on one side. Simply tie the ends so it doesn't come apart. There. And you can do the same exact thing with this one. The only thing that I would like to do is actually move this one of these white threads right to the middle, right here of the bracelet, because otherwise it will look off center. And just tie them, and now it's right in the middle of the end. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm just going to twist the 2 ends in the opposite directions, connect them, and then just pull a little bit until it twists like that. Tie it up, and then we can just simply cut the excess yarn so it's even, and there we have this very, very pretty cuff bracelet. And again, you can just tie those ends together, or you can do a sliding knot like I like to do. So a sliding knot, here we go. Slow motion. I think I've showed this one in many of my videos, but I'll do it here as well, just in case. And there. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and comment below. Have a great day, everyone.